You see, it's not as difficult as you think. I'm just going to come from this side. I'm going to stand in front of the camera and actually do the introduction. So just watch me. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. You see, it's not difficult to make video actually. I've told you guys to. You should have a YouTube channel. It's crazy. Try it. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to introduce you guys to something. You see, I've been busy. It's been a while I'm making video. I've been trying to get better. You see, the whole system of fashion designing, it's something that actually grows. You cannot stay in one place. You have to keep thinking and keep learning and keep getting better. I've used this particular thing. I want to introduce you guys to this thing. It is called ironing book or chest bulk or ironing bulk, depending on whichever you call it. It's work. Chest bulk or ironing bulk. And this usually comes in sets, right? It comes in sets. It's like 5 pieces, and I'm going to show you all of these sets. When I was learning, right, I used this thing quite often. When I was learning suits and I was learning the senator upgrade skills like that, I used all of this. But ever since then, I've not been using it. But there's something, there's some, if you get to some stage, there's some finishing that you will see, and you will know that it requires a detailed ironing in order to get that shape, in order to get that type of finishing. So I decided to upgrade myself. You see, you have to upgrade in tools, in experience. You have to constantly become better. So this comes in sets, and I'm going to show you. So in my subsequent videos, right, I'm going to be making use of all of these box ironing sets, ironing box, and I'll be showing you all the other ones. So I'll be making use of it. So if you take a closer look at this, right, you can see that it's actually a little bit taller. I got this one because of how I want to use it. The height of this is actually bulky, right? But the more I use iron on it, the more it compresses. And at the end of the day, it's going to give me that bulky feeling, like that solid feeling. So I work quite often, so many times, even like last night, we had to do nights, we work every day, like back to back, back to back. So now, the more I use this, the more it goes down till it gives me that flat feeling that I can iron and have that. So I just introduced you guys to this. In my subsequent video, I'll be showing you how to use all of them, the roller one, the shaped one, the curve one, the one for suit armhole, all of this we are going to be using it together. This is just like my comeback video. I hope you guys enjoy it. In case you want to get this, I will put a number below. You can call the person and ask for the complete ironing set. If you're interested, you can get the full set. The picture, I'm going to put a video of this on the screen so you can see that. You can get the full set. You can buy it, you can start using it. I'll be showing you my usage in the subsequent video, how it works, the results you can use to get with it, and so on and so forth. So this is my update video. I'm back bigger and better. More videos are coming, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you are new. If you are sometimes I can say like it's hard to actually make video because English is hard. Like you'll be saying English and you'll just be Jesus Christ. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash the like button, and we'll see you on my next video, where I'll be introducing all of the sets to you and telling you what each of the sets does. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe so that when I upload new video, you will get it. So turn on the bell notification as well, and I will see you. You see, that is easy. I did not cut any part of it. Even my mistake are part of the video. It's as simple as that. So when next you want to make your own video, just hang your camera, stand in front, say whatever you want to say. You can cut, you can join, depending on if you understand the concept of editing. But in all my video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do all of these things. I want you to become better. I want you to have that sense of wait, I'm not sure I'm on frame now. I want you to have that sense of confidence that you can do this, and you can. I swear you can. Just try. Put the camera up, talk to it. Nobody is going to kill me. Nobody is going to kill you either. Have I died? I have not died. So, I'll see you. Bye-bye.